Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kom and thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you all some cardigans that I got from Amazon. मैंने recently ये cardigan लिया था and the video went viral and it went out of stock really quickly. अभी it's not in stock only, so I wanted to do some more cardigans haul and I wanted to get cardigans in like basic colors जैसे कि grey, black ऐसा because you know I really love this one. This is like a very chatak or very red color. अभी तक मैंने ये बहुत बारी बाहर पहना है like more than 4 times ऐसा but you know what guys, I want more in basic color ताकि मैं और भी दिनों में पहन सकूं. Guys जो मैंने पहन रखा है ना, I don't know कि ये स्टॉक में है या नहीं, but if this is in stock I think you should go and check out this one. This is so good. और जिन लोगों ने भी ये कार्डिगन लिया होगा उन लोगों को पता होगा कि इसका क्वालिटी कितना सॉफ्ट है और कितना वार्म रखता है. So this is amazing and this was very good for the price also. सब एप्स में बहुत महंगा था, Amazon में सबसे सस्ता था, so I shared it and it went out of stock. Okay, so now let's see some more cardigans, but before showing you all some cardigans I wanted to show you all some other things also जो मैंने अपना ऐसा पिलाटेस क्लास के लिए लिया था and I've been loving. Okay, so I got this one from the brand London Heels क्योंकि ना जब मैं पिलाटेस जाती हूँ तो मेरे को ऐसा फुल स्लीव पहनना पसंद है और जब भी मैं वर्कआउट करती हूँ तो I want to wear थोड़ा सा टाइट but not like टाइट ऐसा. So this is the one that I got. जूम इन मत करना क्योंकि ये बहुत गंदा हो गया है, मैंने ना 3 दिन लगातार पहना है ये और अभी ना थोड़ा वार्मर कहते क्या की तरह भी काम करता है ये. Not like it doesn't keep you that warm but it keeps you warm. So इसमें और 2 कलर्स अवेलेबल थे, in maroon and in black color. तो I'm planning to get in another color also क्योंकि अभी winter है तो लेयर इतना करना पड़ रहा है ना, but I don't have any clothes for layering so I am going to get इसका अलग कलर भी. This is in medium size and I really like it. इसका जो मटेरियल है ना, it's like ripped वाला मटेरियल but ऐसा नहीं है अनकम्फर्टेबल वाला और ऐसा थिक वाला नहीं है. दिस इज इन अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल मटेरियल, सो आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू ऑल. यू गाइस कैन गो एंड चेक इट आउट एंड यू गाइस कैन सी मी डूइंग द ट्राई ऑन ऑल्सो. तो आप लोग डिसाइड कर सकते हैं कि यू गाइस वांट टू गेट इट और नॉट, बट आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू ऑल इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग फॉर लेयरिंग बट नॉट लाइक थिक एंड ऐसा स्किन में इची होते ना वैसा वाला मटेरियल नहीं है. सो दिस इज really nice one. Guys finally मैंने भी एक कपड़ा ले लिया है from the brand Bliss Club. I'm sure आप लोगों ने Bliss Club के बारे में सुना ही होगा. It's a very famous brand. All the influencers are promoting it and yeah I got one and I got इसीलिए क्योंकि एक तो मेरे को पिलाटेस के लिए पैंट चाहिए था and दूसरा तो this कपड़ा looked really good and third thing is इसका प्राइस बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा मेरे को क्योंकि ना Bliss Club की मैंने देखा है कि कपड़ा सर थोड़ा सा expensive but I got this only for 1200 something which I felt like it's a steal deal. Because look at the pant, it looks so premium. I really like the rubber and the quality is so good. ये देखने में ही इतना प्रीमियम लग रहा है and there are so many colors available. So many नहीं, 3 colors ऐसा but I went with the brown color and this is so good guys. जितना भी तारीफ करो ना कम है क्योंकि this is so flattering. You guys can see me doing the try on and I was looking for some workout pants but not ऐसा टाइट वाला. मेरे को थोड़ा लूज फिट में चाहिए था ताकि मेरे को कंफर्टेबल भी लगे while working out and this is one of those पैंट जो ना पहन के इतना ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल लगते हैं वर्कआउट करने में भी. क्वालिटी इज़ सो गुड एंड ये देखने में थोड़ा गंदा लग सकता है बिकॉज आई बीन वेयरिंग इट फॉर लाइक 3 days कंटिन्यूसली बट आई डोंट नो कि ना इसमें थोड़ा सा बबल्स ऐसा है लाइक सिर्फ मेरे को ऐसा रिसीव हुआ है या इसका कपड़ा ही ऐसा है, आई डोंट नो बट दिस इज़ रियली नाइस एंड आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू ऑल. इफ़ यू लुकिंग फॉर अ पैंट देन दिस इज़ द वन फॉर यू. ऐसा भी नहीं कि आप ये वर्कआउट करते वक्त ही पहनोगे. आई हैव वोर्न इट लाइक वाइल गोइंग टू अ कैफे ऑल्सो सो दिस इज़ अमेजिंग. आई जेन्युइनली लव दिस वन. जब तक ये सेल में है जस्ट गो एंड ग्रैब इट क्योंकि आई हैव अ फीलिंग कि इसका प्राइस बढ़ने वाला है. सो यू कैन गो एंड चेक इट आउट एंड या आई एम वेयरिंग इट इन M size and I am going to get it in another color as well and I'm going to get one for my mom as well. Not gonna lie guys, seriously I'm going to shop it for my mom and shop it for myself so you guys can also go and check it out before it gets out of stock. It's really good, trust me. Okay guys, now let me show you all a jeans जो मैंने recently purchase किया है again and it looks like this. This is from the same brand जो मैंने एक white color का top जो दिखाया था सबसे पहले वो same brand से ही है and मैंने ना बहुत reviews पढ़ा है ये brand के बारे में and I have seen all the good reviews only. I didn't see any negative reviews so I was like you know what I need to get it और मैं देखूंगी कि ये पैंट कैसा है and then only I will show it to you guys क्योंकि मैंने एक टोक्यो से पैंट लिया था and I have been wearing that only since then so it's very comfortable. और मैंने ये लिया है थोड़ा सा different color में and this also it's really good but I have a feeling कि this is not going to fit tall people क्योंकि ना ये मेरे को भी fit हो रहा है and You can see the size guys, like this is in 28 size, but you know ये fit नहीं होगा tall people लोगों को, so you guys can check out description before getting it. But I really liked it guys. For all the short girlies, this is a gem. Look at this guys, quality कितना सही लग रहा है, ऐसा देख के पता चल रहा है आपको कि the quality is so good and the color is also so good, so you can like style it in so many ways. इसके ऊपर में आप normal सा white color का t-shirt भी पहनोगे, then it is going to look so good. I'm really happy with my purchase and the best thing is this is so affordable. It's for 500 something, but अभी इसका price दिखा रहे 600 something, but it's worth it. So the next one is going to be a cardigan and it looks like this. It's so pretty. I know it's like in normal ऐसा black color में, but you know what, black color की cardigan you can wear it every day and no one will say कि तूने ये कल भी पहना था, ऐसा कोई भी नहीं कहेगा आपको. This is from the same brand. ये जो मैंने पहन रखा है ये दोनों same brand से ही है. The quality is so good. Like I'm obsessed with cardigan guys. I don't know क्या हो गया मेरे को, ठीक है. Like this winter I am really obsessed over cardigans. You can style it in so many ways. You can wear it with long skirt, you can wear it with short skirt, you can wear it with jeans, yeah, anything, and it is going to look amazing. And yeah, I really like it guys. इसके बारे में मैं ज़्यादा क्या ही बोलूँ, but वही है कि नॉर्मल सा डिटेलिंग है. The quality is really good and the price, this is only for 800 rupees, which I think it's a very good price. Now moving on to my next one, it's in a grey color. अभी मैं Pinterest खोल के देखती हूँ ना and I look for cardigans, then I find it in grey color only. So I was like, I want a cardigan in grey color so that I can style it again in zillion ways and it looks like this. मैंने ये कल ही पहना था. I will put some pictures here. Look at this, कितना प्यारा लग रहा है. So pretty. I can style it in so many ways that makes me feel so happy. This is little heavy guys, like heavier than the one that I'm wearing and also the black one, and it kept me really warm guys. कल हम लोग ना शाम के टाइम में सुंदर नर्सरी गए थे, पूरा ऐसा जहाँ पैर होते ना, पैर, wow, जहाँ पूरा ट्रीज ऐसा है. So this kept me really warm and I'm really happy with this purchase. और ये देख के ही बहुत प्रीमियम लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा क्वालिटी लग रहा है. This is nice guys, it's really pretty and I can see myself styling this in like so many ways and you can get it in your own size, but I like to get it in like bigger size. तो मैंने XL में लिया है सारा sizes. I think, I don't know, I will like write it on screen कि मैंने क्या क्या size में लिया है, so you guys can get it accordingly. Now moving on to my next cardigan, it is going to be again in like simple one color only, that is in pink color, but this is थोड़ा सा neon pink. Let me show you all. So it looks like this. This looks थोड़ा neon, but कैमरा में और भी ज़्यादा neon लग रहा है, असली में इतना भी नहीं है, but it is really pretty. And this and the grey one, it's in like same quality. थोड़ा heavy है, so I'm sure that this is going to keep you really warm. And I really like this one also. Not kidding guys, I don't know, I'm saying कि I really like this, but सही में मेरे को बहुत कुछ पसंद आया है इस बारी. Look at the detailing. It has the same design, almost the same design, but थोड़ा सा तो different है, but almost same design. Quality is really good and it's really good for the price guys. Again, this is for 899, which is like 900 rupees. So yeah, if you're looking for cardigan, then I think this video is for you all, क्योंकि इसमें सारा मैं cardigans ही दिखा रही हूँ. Moving on to my last cardigan. This one is expensive and I'm not sure whether to keep it or not. मतलब इसका कपड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा soft है. The print is also really good and it's from a very good brand, that is the Soul Store. I have been purchasing a lot from the brand Soul Store, but this is for 1700 rupees. So you guys tell me whether it's worth it or not. I really like the print, that's why I ordered it. You guys know I love colors है ना, तो I wanted to get जिसमें बहुत सारा colors हो, and this one has a lot of colors and this is so soft guys, and ये थोड़ा सा cropped वाला है. So you guys tell me whether I should keep it or not, but this looks really pretty. You guys can see me doing the try on and yeah, it looks really cute. This is so soft guys. Soul Store का already sizes बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा होता है, so I got this one in medium size and this is still थोड़ा सा loose on me, but it looks really pretty while wearing. So yeah, these are the things that I got this time. What do you guys think about this collection too? Let me know. And in my next video, I want to show you all some hoodies and some sweatshirt ऐसा, तो stay tuned. और video अगर पसंद आया then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and comment this emoji for this video. And अगर आपको कुछ भी पसंद आया then I am going to be linking everything in my description box, so you guys can go and check it out before it gets out of stock. And I'll see you all very soon with my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.